Hello, and welcome to the Julington Baptist Church tutorial video for our online giving platform called PushPay. PushPay is reliable, it's simple, and it is completely secure. To access our giving platform, just go to our church website, www.jmbc.com, on your phone, tablet, or computer. Page down to the bottom of the page and click Launch Now. You will immediately be directed to the giving page. On this page, you can enter the amount you would like to give in the space provided. You can also indicate whether you would like the amount to be given one time, or you can set a recurring schedule that best fits your desired giving frequency. This is listed under Gift Type. For this example, we will make a one-time contribution in the amount of $1. Next, select the fund you would like to give to. At Julington Baptist Church, we currently have 3 categories: Tithe and Offering, Missions, and the N.J. McLean Scholarship Fund. For this example, we will select Tithe and Offering. When you have entered the amount, gift type, and the fund, click Next. For added security, you will be asked to enter your mobile phone number. Once entered, click Send Code, and a text message with the security code will be sent to you. Enter it in the box when prompted and click Confirm. You will now be taken to the page to confirm your gift to Julington Baptist Church. If you decide to change the amount of your gift, you can do so by clicking the pencil. This will take you to the page to make the change. After this change has been made, click Next to return to the confirmation page. Verify your payment method by checking the verification box. If you need to add a new credit card or bank account information, click the Add New Payment Method box. From the Confirm Gift page, if all information is correct, click Give. You will be sent a verification code on your phone to enter. Once entered, you will be sent a thank you message for the amount of your gift. Once your gift has completed processing, a gift receipt will be sent to your email address. On this page, you will also have the option of giving again, downloading the Julington Baptist Church app. You can also click in the upper right-hand corner of any page to view your account information and track all contributions you have made.